In this video, I'm going to talk about Instagram Reels algorithm. Instagram Reels has been copied from TikTok and how its algorithm is same or different from TikTok. In what ways I'm going to talk everything in this video. So without much further ado, let's get started. So while the video duration on TikTok was 15 seconds or 60 seconds, it's only 15 seconds on Instagram Reels right now. Now let's say as a fresh user, you start using Instagram Reels and Instagram won't have any of the history what kind of content you would have consumed. Same was the case with TikTok as well, but TikTok was quickly able to catch up to the kind of content you were watching and able to recommend that kind of content to you. Instagram Reels right now, it's a bit slow in that case. Right now it takes up a cue from what kind of content you have consumed on your personal Instagram feed and tries to show up that kind of content to you. So let's say you have been following certain kind of food recipes, meme pages or certain kind of social media influencer. Instagram Reels will try to show you that kind of videos. Okay. Now let's say if you make your videos on that current topic and then Instagram Reels tends to show you those videos or those content only and it does not diversify much. So that means right now Instagram Reels algorithm is still learning and still evolving. So there are certain ways through which you can increase your views and reach on Instagram Reels still. In Instagram Reels algorithm, the first factor is the video duration. Let's say if the available video duration is still 15 seconds, you have to make a video which is completely 15 seconds and people should be able to watch that video entirely. Again, the funda and the logic for video watch time is important as it is on any other platform. And as it was important in TikTok as well, it's going to be important in Instagram Reels as well. So make sure that whatever initial views you're getting, people are watching your entire video and the video length is 15 seconds. Second factor in Instagram Reels algorithm is hashtags. So what kind of hashtags you're using in your video is very important. Let's say if you're using a hashtag which is having a very high number of posts and is already very populated and it's going to be very difficult for you to rank your videos and it will be difficult for Instagram as well to show your video first on that hashtag. So you have to take hashtags which does not have initially any post. You are putting up your post because then Instagram Reels would try to think of the users and then put up an additional hashtag which has let's say 100 or 1000 posts. That's it. And that's what will get you initial views, and if your video quality is great, people are watching your entire video, it will be recommended to other people as well. One of the common mistakes while people do on Instagram Reels is they do not share their Instagram Reels video on the newsfeed. They untick that option and because of which their videos are only visible in Explore tab right now. So in that case, what you have to do is make sure that your videos are being showed both in Explore tab and in the newsfeed as well. Third important factor in Instagram Reels algorithm is as similar to TikTok, the music is the core of the algorithm of Instagram Reels. And in that case, you have to use trending music which is already there on Instagram Reels. So let's say if any other video which is right now, which is going viral and getting views on Instagram Reels, you can copy that music, make your videos on that music, upload it, re-upload it and then make that video live. So as Instagram Reels algorithm is still learning, it will see that okay, the one popular music video has been recreated by someone else and I can show this video and this kind of video to other people as well. And hence your video gets starting more views and more recommended to more people. Fourth factor in Instagram Reels algorithm is the kind of text which you use on your videos. Okay, so now what happens is when your videos come in the newsfeed, it gets truncated, and only this part is visible. Because of that, whatever text you have added, people don't get that text. So you have to add the text in this viewing range so that whenever somebody is watching your video in Explore tab or in newsfeed, they see your text and they're able to watch the video because they are able to anticipate what your video is all about. Okay, so text can really be helpful in increasing your views and helping Instagram algorithm learn what kind of content you like, and hence it can show it to other people as well. Fifth factor in Instagram Reels algorithm is consistency. More consistently you will post the videos, more Instagram gets a signal that this is a content creator which is posting regularly and I can show its videos to other people, because once a person sees your one video, it's easier for Instagram to recommend your other videos to the person as well. It's important that you have certain number of videos on a similar topic. Let's say if you're talking about certain music, certain dance form, certain recipe, initially you can have 4 to 5 videos around the same topic so that your visibility increases, because then Instagram will start recommending all your posts once people start seeing one of your posts, and hence your profile gets visitors. And then again, and this brings us to the sixth factor, that is how many people actually visit your Instagram profile after watching a Reels video. So what happens is, what I have observed is that once you visit our Instagram profile after watching a Reel video, Instagram then start pushing you those videos from those content creators, so for whom you have visited the profile. So you have to make sure that your profile video, profile image and anything which is which can make a person intrigued about your profile so that they can visit your profile, you should do that. So your Instagram profile image plays a very important part in this case, and because of that, Instagram Reel videos also get a chance to be shown to more people. So if in a video you can ask people to visit their Instagram profile, that can be really amazing and that can be really helpful. Seventh factor to get views and to understand Instagram Reels algorithm is how many times you're sharing your Instagram Reel videos on your stories. So Instagram right now has a lot of features like IGTV is there, stories is there, boomerang videos are there, explore feed is there. So in all these places you need to mention so that your Instagram Reel videos are visible to a lot more of people. And then there is one metric called click-through rate, right? And also about average watch time. So how many people are clicking on your videos and then actually watching it completely is very important. So let's say if more times your video is shared on your Instagram stories, in that case more people watch your videos. And if it's a great content and people are watching your entire videos, in that case Instagram will start pushing your Reels videos to other people as well. And if more people like and comment your Instagram Reel videos, which is going to be your 8th factor, then it becomes even all the more important for Instagram to push your videos to other people, because the engagement rate on your video is very high. So 8th factor about Instagram Reels algorithm is engagement rate, which happens from people who have liked your video, commented on your video. 9th factor on Instagram Reels algorithm is how many people share your videos to other people. Now there is a share option in Instagram Reels, same as TikTok. You can share your videos to WhatsApp, to any other platform. And if your videos are being saved in the gallery or if they are being shared to other people on through WhatsApp or there is any other social media platform, then Instagram knows that this video has a very high engagement rate and I should be sharing it with other people. And that's why it's very important for people to like your videos, to consume your content and also download and share it with other people. So I hope you guys like my video. Do subscribe to my channel, do hit the bell icon so that you know every time I upload a new video, and keep following me for more Instagram and YouTube related videos as well. Thank you.